Hello guys, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. This is Fola Apparel. Today we are learning how to cut and sew a tie. This is a very short tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, share, comment. If you don't understand anything, I'm always here for you. Feel free to ask. I welcome you back once again. The first thing you do is determine the length you want. For this tutorial, I'll be using 20 inches. So that will be from here to here. This is my 20 inches. I want to cut this away. Now, on this part here, I'll measure 3 inches, while on the upper part here, I'll measure 2 inches. You go ahead and connect this. Just holding it down with my pin. This is all we need. Go ahead and cut it out. You go ahead and sew it like this. Just watch the way I'm doing this. After joining this, you notch this part. Notch this part. Now you turn it inside out. Turn it inside out this way. Then you fold it like this and sew it. After doing the sewing, then you go ahead and turn it inside out. Then I'll give it a good press. This is after doing the ironing. For the neck, you measure your round neck minus 1 inch. So if the round neck is 16, that means I'll be cutting 15 on the elastic. Do you understand? So here, the round neck I'm working with here is 16. So I'll cut out 15 inches. I want you to watch closely how I want to do this. Now you will fold this like this, then fold it like this again. Can you see? You fold it like this, then like this. So here we sew it down. Now you put your elastic, then you pass this through the space you have here. Can you guys see? Now you go ahead and sew your elastic. And we are done. This is the final result. See you guys some other times. Bye.